Yeah, looking at our kohlrabi.
Purple delicacy.
Yeah, yeah, and it's done really well.
Yeah.
Because we had a false start, didn't we, with the
start, didn't we? Yeah.
yeah, with the
But
little pests getting to it, the flea beetles.
yeah.
But you've sown again, and
Yeah, they've come on
great.
really well. There. Let's have a look at them, shall we?
so your homemade netting, I have to say, has done a good job too, because you've had some pigeon problems, I think.
A lot of pigeon problems on this
Yeah.
plot.
You
And
can see this one's.
obviously they've been able to peck through the netting to get that one.
Gosh, yeah, they don't give up, do they?
That one's looking quite good.
Yeah, because I'd like. Shall I lift it?
Yeah, do you want to just
Yeah,
use that one out?
because they're about ready now, aren't they? So this is
they're
our.
ready to go.
God, that's some good roots on that. Yeah, very good.
I mean, the pigeons even had a go at that one as well. Look.
Gosh, yeah. I'll try and. It's probably going to be a bit. Cut through that. They are hard to
Quite tough, aren't they?
cut through. There we go.
There you go.
Get rid of that. God, that's lovely.
It is.
That'd be great. Grated in your coleslaw or your salads. Have a little look.
Fingers.
I like the colour. These purple delicacies.
Lovely.
Gorgeous, isn't it? And just slice in. Have a little look. There you go.
Lovely, fresh.
Lovely white flesh there, yeah. And literally just peel it and grate it.
Shall we have a look
Really
at
lovely.
That's lovely. Shall we have a look at this one, Steve?
Ah, yeah.
Something's gone wrong here.
Not
It
so
was,
good.
I would say 2 days ago, fine,
Yeah.
but it's split, hasn't it?
That's
So, do you think
Came
that's
up.
with the kind of irregular weather we've had with the
I think so, yes. Yeah. Yeah, I wonder if someone's had a
might have had
mouse or something, had a little nibble at that as well.
Yeah,
But the
yeah.
initial splitting is probably watering, isn't it? Because we've had a strange year, really. Lots of
rain. then
heavy
dry.
rain and very, very dry at the moment. So, yeah, that caused it to split. But it's still edible.
Yeah.
You could still trim that up and
Yeah. Super.
probably take the mouse nibbled bit off, I expect. But other than that, yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah.
I think they were a success.
Yeah, good to protect them. They're not hard to grow, are they? Really?
No, very quick, aren't they?
And they're fascinating colours, and this, as you say, it's a lovely
Yeah,
colour,
yeah.
isn't it?
Really nice. Yeah.
Right,
Oh, so we'll grow it again.
grow it again.
Very good. I'm going to take that one home for my tea.
You take that one home, and if anybody else would like one, you're welcome.